everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading, and I am so glad to be doing another video again. It has been a while, hasn't it? But a lot of action has happened since the last time I have spoke to y'all, so I wanted to give you an update on the ES futures. And don't forget, you can always use the ES for SPX and SPY trades. What we have going on right now is we have a couple of extensions that we're coming into. We have the second extension from that high to low swing, and then we also have an extension for this from this more recent high to low swing. So we're looking at 39.78 to 82, and then we actually have a smaller extension here that's coming in 40.12 to 40.19. So I want y'all to be aware of these extensions because many moves tend to terminate at extensions. The extensions are green because we want you to take your money at these extensions. Something else that I want you to remember is if you are in our Fibonacci room, you know that the Queen has timing the 17th through the 19th in the SPX and the NDX. Okay, so we've got extensions coming up, we've got timing coming up. So I want you to please be a very, very cautious bull. Let me show you what I've got on the 120-minute chart here, okay? We did have that nice pullback today into some symmetrical support and a 50%, anywhere from 39.39 to 42. We've bounced. Now we are testing that 618. 618s and 786s can be big decision points for you, so we could fail and pull back here overnight. We'll see what happens. But if that low from today is any good, your target is going to be 39.78. It is correlating with a couple of other extensions. So when we have three or more Fibonacci price relationships that come together, what does that mean? That is a setup. So anywhere from 39.78 to 82, if you get a sell trigger, you can use that zone as your zone of risk, and you can take that as a sell setup. All right, everybody, I hope you have an awesome evening, and I will talk to you soon. If you are not in our Fibonacci room right now, I hope that you will please come and visit us, and I will see everybody soon. Thanks. Bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me